Hi friends, Mrs. Skippington here to take you through your math choices for today. We're going to start with our math workbook. Surprise! I know we always do that. Okay, so today we're going to start with your first must-do activity, which is reteach 6-2, and that is filling in the missing numbers on your 100 number chart. So I'm going to remind you that you do have this handy number chart. You can use this from your remote learning bag to help you fill this out. Okay, so it's just practice, so that'd be fine. I don't mind you using it. If you feel like the challenge and want to try it on your own, that's fine too, but you do have that resource as well if you want to use the 100 number chart that you have, okay, as a tool. Your next must-do activity is from your math packet, February math packet, and it is 2 pages labeled 6.3. And it's very similar to what I just showed you. You're going to fill in your numbers, and you can go ahead and use your 100 number chart for that. And we're going to do the front page of that and the back of that as well, where it's just taking pieces of the 100 chart. So this takes the 100 chart from 1 to 30, and you fill in those missing pieces. And then this takes it from 21 to 60, and you fill in those missing pieces. Again, for all of this, you can use your 100 number chart tool if you like. Okay. Your third must-do activity is to dry erase. Use your dry erase. I don't know if I have that here with me right now. But your dry erase lines, your handwriting paper, to write the numbers from 1 to 20. If you don't have the dry erase handy or you feel like writing it on paper, you can too, but we're practicing doing it 3 times, writing the numbers from 0 to 20. I'm sorry, I said 1 to 20. From 0 to 20, just for practice of writing the numbers in order, okay? So those are your must-do activities for today. Your choice activities, number 1 in the green square, your first choice is boom cards for 100 chart missing numbers. So we're doing a lot of that, but it's just to get us used to seeing patterns on a number chart and getting used to figuring out what numbers come next, what numbers come before, what happens in the columns, what happens in the rows. We've talked about this, so you might remember that as you're working. Your second choice activity is called Race to 100, and that is using your 100 number chart as a game board. So you would use this, and however many people are playing, we'll start over here with counters. And I think the counters that we gave you might be a little too big for this. But you can see the cubes might work. The cubes might work as little counters because you're going to use them as game pieces to move along the board. But so if you go ahead and click on the Race to 100 link in the choice board, it takes you to a slide that tells you how to play. And so you're just going to need this, a small counter for each player, and then use your dice. And as you roll the dice, you're going to move the number of spaces. The first one who gets to 100 wins the game. So you can play alone or with somebody else. Okay. All right, and then your last choice activity is to go ahead and use your Clever badge to do some activities on eSpark. It's a fun little website that we put out there often. And that's that. So those are your math choices for today. Hope you have a great day.